In Cuba, images of children playing in streets and parks was common, but over the last 18 months, the coronavirus pandemic has confined them to their homes, and parks are now deserted while schools have been closed. As part of Cuba's COVID-19 vaccination strategy to immunize its people this year, clinical trials which initially included adults are now underway for children and adolescents using vaccines Soberana 02 and Abdala in Havana and eastern Cuba. During a recent press conference on the island, scientists discussed the vaccine's effectiveness.
This vaccine demonstrated that they are very safe in children and they induce antibodies avoiding not only the disease but also the infection.
6-year-old Fabio Abul and his older sister Carolina were two of the kids whose parents agreed to their participation in the clinical trials. Fabio told CGTN that he was accompanied by his mom to the vaccination site. Fabio says the vaccines will help kids not to get sick. Fabio's mom says her kids are making a social and health contribution.
We
were never afraid of the vaccines, but eager to learn when the children's clinical trial would begin. It's been a beautiful experience to see our family immunized and contribute to the massive vaccinations of the children.
In August, Cuba reported nearly 70,000 COVID-19 cases for children under 18 years old, representing nearly 2% of Cuba's youth population, according to health officials. For parents like Fabio's dad, who is also a doctor, the clinical trials on children are giving parents hope.
It's practically an unknown disease being experimented now by Cuban doctors who I trust. They are my own colleagues, and by scientists who are in capacity to find a solution to this problem. So it is a blessing for me to see that my kids have taken part in this trial. I'm very grateful.
Cuban scientists say the preliminary results from the clinical trials on children look promising, and soon they will seek emergency authorization to use the Cuban vaccines on children. Chirino, CGTN, Havana.